Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. Which space agency launched the Sphere X telescope to study the universe's glow? Right answer is option A, NASA. Which country has recently overtaken others to become the second largest 5G market in the world? Right answer is option A, India. How many new moons were added to Saturn's count, raising the total to 274? Right answer is option A, 128. Which city in Uttar Pradesh is said to become India's first AI powered smart city? Correct answer is option C, Lucknow. Which country inaugurated its first space agency called the Korea Aerospace Administration? Right answer is option D, South Korea. Which institution jointly launched India's largest metal 3D printing machine designed for rocket components? Right answer is option B, DRDO and IIT Hyderabad. Which Indian communication satellite was placed in orbit by SpaceX's Falcon 9? Right answer is option C, GSAT 20. Which program was launched by the Center for Development of Telematics to boost IT innovation in India? Right answer is option B, Samarth program. What is the name of ISRO's mission dedicated to studying the sun? Right answer is option A, Aditya L1. Asia's largest Cherenko telescope was inaugurated recently in which region of India? Right answer is option C, Ladakh. Who became the first Indian to travel to the International Space Station in June 2025? Right answer is option B, Shubhanshu Shukla. In which Indian city was the country's first biobitumen national highway inaugurated? Right answer is option C, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Which rocket carried the Nisar satellite into space in July 2025? Right answer is option A, GSLV F-16. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare launched which digital platform for real time vaccine tracking? Correct answer is option D, UWIN. Chandrayaan 5 or LUPEX is a collaborative mission between India and which nation? Right answer is option C, Japan. Which electronics company has created the world's first transparent smart television? Right answer is option D, LG. Which spacecraft safely returned Sunita Williams to Earth in March 2025? Right answer is option A, SpaceX Crew Dragon. Which state became the 24th in India to achieve 100% rail electrification in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Which seeds did ISRO successfully germinate in space as part of its experiment? Right answer is option D, cowpea seeds. What is the name of India's first pollution control vessel launched by the Indian Coast Guard? Correct answer is option B, Samudra Pratap. When was India's first National Space Day celebrated officially? Right answer is option B, 23rd August 2024. By what name did Google officially launch its new AI model? Correct answer is option B, Gemini. Which launch vehicle was used by ISRO for the EOS 08 mission? Right answer is option A, SSLV D3. India's first transmedia entertainment city was recently developed in which state? Correct answer is option A, Andhra Pradesh. Which country launched the world's first methane fueled rocket? Right answer is option C, China. In which three cities were the indigenously developed Paramrudra supercomputers installed? Correct answer is option A, Pune, Delhi, and Kolkata. Which Indian origin astronaut created a record for the longest stay in space? Right answer is option A, Sunita Williams. Which multinational company became the first to export electric vehicles from India? Correct answer is option C, Citron. How long did Shubhanshu Shukla remain aboard the International Space Station? Right answer is option D, 18 days. Which Bengaluru based startup was selected to develop India's first indigenous AI large language model? Right answer is option D, Sarvam AI. Which private company launched the FRAM2 mission to study polar regions of Earth? Right answer is option B, SpaceX. Scientists of which IIT discovered a host protein capable of killing germs before they harm the human body? Right answer is option A, IIT Bombay. Which radar bands were used in Nisar and which countries developed them? Right answer is option A, L band by USA and S band by India. Which IIT developed electricity generating shoes that also provide real time location tracking? Correct answer is option A, IIT Indore. Where did ISRO chairman V. Narayanan inaugurate the Ramkrishnan Thermal Research Center? Right answer is option D, IIT Madras. Which institution successfully established and tested India's first hypervelocity expansion tunnel test facility? Right answer is option A, IIT Kanpur. Which rocket marked ISRO's 100th satellite launch from Sriharikota? Right answer is option A, GSLV F-15. In which two Indian cities did Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav inaugurate the country's first 3 nanometer chip design centers? Right answer is option B, Noida and Bengaluru. Which two satellites were part of India's first docking mission under SPADEX? Right answer is option A, Chaser and Target. Which city in India has been declared as the country's first solar city? Right answer is option C, Sanchi, Madhya Pradesh. How many days did Sunita Williams spend on her most recent ISS mission? Right answer is option C, 286 days. Which state government approved the use of cloud seeding technology to reduce air pollution? Right answer is option D, Delhi. Which countries are jointly developing the Nisar satellite mission? Right answer is option B, India and USA. Which initiative was launched by the Central Council for Research in Ayurvedic Sciences to encourage innovation? Right answer is option B, Pragati 2024. Which rocket was used to launch ESA's Probe 3 spacecraft by ISRO? Right answer is option A, PSLV C-59. The world's highest observatory, which has been awarded a Guinness World Record, was inaugurated by which institution? Right answer is option D, University of Tokyo, who successfully created oxygen in space using artificial photosynthesis. Right answer is option A, CNSA, China. Which expressway has become the first in India to be equipped with an AI powered advanced traffic management system? Right answer is option D, Dwarka Expressway. Which vehicle was used by ISRO for its first space docking mission, SPADEX? Right answer is option B, PSLV CA-C60. Which state government launched the disaster risk mitigation system called Kavacham? Correct answer is option A, Kerala. Which country became the 54th signatory of NASA's Artemis Accords? Right answer is option C, Bangladesh. Which Finland based company launched the world's first 100% hydrogen ready engine power plant? Right answer is option A, Wärtsilä. Which Indian state government announced plans to launch its own satellite? Right answer is option B, Assam. Scientists from which Indian institution have developed a new vaccine to combat malaria? Correct answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru University. What is a protostar recently highlighted in space research news? Right answer is option B, an early stage in star formation. Which American company is setting up a $2.75 billion semiconductor assembly and testing plant in Gujarat? Right answer is option A, Micron Technology. Which satellite was launched by ISRO using the GSLV F-15 rocket in January? Right answer is option B, NVS-02. What are the names of the world's first genome edited rice varieties developed in India? Right answer is option D, Kamala and Pusa DST Rice 1. Which space agency launched a lunar satellite to detect and map water on the moon? Right answer is option C, NASA. India became the country with the third largest operational metro rail network after which two nations? Right answer is option A, China and USA. Which country is developing the world's first deep water space station? Right answer is option D, China. Which Indian state became the first to implement a semiconductor policy? Correct answer is option B, Gujarat. Which country's private company's lander Blue Ghost recently touched down on the moon? Right answer is option A, USA. Where did DRDO inaugurate the Advanced Quantum Technology Research Center in May 2025? Correct answer is option D, New Delhi. By which year is ISRO planning to launch navigation satellites NVS 03, NVS 04, and NVS 05? Right answer is option C, 2026. Which country built a railway station using 3D printed components in under 6 hours, setting a world record? Right answer is option C, Japan. Which organization created the 10-ton vertical planetary mixer for rocket propellants? Right answer is option C, ISRO. Which country's scientists discovered plastic eating fungi in 2024? Right answer is option C, Germany. Which is India's most advanced weather satellite recently launched by ISRO? Right answer is option A, INSAT 3DS. What is India's global rank in mobile manufacturing in 2025? Right answer is option A, second rank. Which country launched the world's first wooden satellite Lignosat aboard SpaceX's rocket? Right answer is option B, Japan. Who received approval to launch India's first private satellite broadband service? Right answer is option C, Anant Tech. Elon Musk's company SpaceX provides satellite based high speed internet under which name? Right answer is option B, Starlink. Which Indian telecom companies have entered agreements with SpaceX to bring Starlink satellite internet services to India? Right answer is option C, Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel. Where was the world's highest astronomical observatory been recently inaugurated? Right answer is option C, Atacama Desert, Chile. Elon Musk's company SpaceX provides satellite based high speed internet under which name? Right answer is option B, Starlink. Which country launched the navigation satellite Michibiki 6 in February 2025? Right answer is option A, Japan. Which country has developed electrokinetic mining technology for extracting rare earth elements? Right option is A, China. In January, the Satyendranath Bose Astronomical Observatory was inaugurated in which state? Right answer is option B, West Bengal. Which state launched the AI based chronic eye screening program Nayanamritam 2.0? Right answer is option D, Kerala. Which country is leading the artificial sun project called EAST? Right answer is option D, China. Which country unveiled the prototype of the world's fastest high speed train in January 2025? Correct option is B, China. Recently, ISRO conducted a model rocket launch test for the first time in which state? Right answer is option C, Uttar Pradesh. When is National Science Day celebrated in India? Right answer is option B, 28th February. Which institute partnered with ISRO to design the indigenous semiconductor chip Iris for space use? Right answer is option A, IIT Madras. Which institute has developed needle free shock syringes for painless injections? Right option is B, IIT Bombay. Where has India's first biobank for diabetes research been established? Right answer is option C, Chennai. What is the name of India's first anti pesticide protective suit for farmers? Right answer is option B, Kisan Kavach. Where was the Pasang Wangchuk Sona ISRO Space Laboratory inaugurated? Right answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Who successfully created oxygen in space using artificial photosynthesis? Right answer is option A, CNSA, China. Which island in Andhra Pradesh is home to ISRO's Satish Dhawan Space Center? Right answer is option B, Sri Harikota Island. In which city is Google's largest campus named Ananta located? Right answer is option C, Bengaluru. Which Indian space scientist from ISRO's Vikram Sarabhai Space Center specialized in lightning physics and co authored a brief history of rocketry in ISRO? Right answer is option A, PV Manoranjan Rao. Which country has launched the world's first 6G device in 2024? Right answer is option D, Japan. What is the name of ISRO's mission that successfully demonstrated in space docking and undocking? Right answer is option B, SPADEX. Who unveiled Grok 3, an advanced artificial intelligence chatbot? Right answer is option B, Elon Musk. Where is the master control facility of ISRO located? Right answer is option D, Karnataka. When is National Technology Day observed in India? Correct answer is option A, May 11th. In which of the following years ISRO was established? Right answer is option C, 1969. Which industry is planning to build the world's largest data center in Jamnagar, Gujarat? Right answer is option C, Reliance Industries. Which country became the first to perform a pig kidney transplant in a human? Right answer is option A, United States of America. What is the name of India's first government funded multimodal AI initiative? Right answer is option C, Bharat Gen. Which city is home to India's first quantum computing village launched in 2025? Correct answer is option B, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Who developed India's first hydrogen transport pipeline? Right answer is option B, Tata Steel. Which state has become the first in India to introduce mandatory robotics education for all class 10th students? Right answer is option C, Kerala. Which biotech firm has revived the extinct direwolf using advanced gene editing methods? Right answer is option C, Colossal Biosciences. The Legislative Assembly of which Indian state is said to become the country's first to operate entirely on solar power? Right answer is option B, Delhi. Which Indian company has launched the world's first CNG powered motorcycle called Freedom 125? Right answer is option B, Bajaj Auto Limited. Which IIT launched India's first Hyperloop test track? Right answer is option B, IIT Madras. What is the name of India's first generative AI platform? Right answer is option D, Bharat GPT. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.